Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a Craftsman 2-cycle 25cc carburetor. The problem I'm having with this carburetor is that it does not start, and if it starts, it dies off very quickly. I've changed the spark plug, that's not the issue, and I'm pretty certain it's the carburetor because I haven't changed it in 2 years. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that, and I bought this kit off of Amazon. Here, let me show you guys the whole kit. It brings some seals. This tool is to adjust the idle on the carburetor here. If you need to adjust it, it brings the new carburetor, some fuel lines, air filters. It even brings a spark plug if you need to change it. So I will leave the description below if you guys want to check that out. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do, I recommend, before you start, is to take a picture of the fuel lines here in what order they go. This first fuel line right here, the first fuel line is always going to go closer to the bulb here, so you can see closer, and the second fuel line is going to go closer to the carburetor. So fuel line, don't get them mixed up, because if you get them mixed up, you're going to be pushing gas out of the carburetor instead of into the carburetor. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is remove your fuel lines, and never leave gas in the tank because then it's going to be spraying all over. So remove the cap, and you're going to need a Phillips flathead screwdriver for this to remove these two screws. So let's go ahead and remove them. This is gonna pop off. I'm gonna set this to the side, and we're gonna see that is the order it's gonna go. So we're gonna take this other one, I'm gonna match it. That's how it goes. So we're gonna take it, put it like this. I'm gonna take this, and first we're gonna put our seals. So one goes in the top. As you can see, that one has one in the top. So you put the first seal on the top. You put your screws like this in the seal. And make sure it goes all the way. Then you get your other seal in the back, and you align them with the screws right here, and you put them in like this, just like that. Now, second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust this. We're gonna put it, this goes, you're gonna put it in here, put it in, and then you're gonna first align this. It's gonna go like this, and we're gonna put it here, put it in, and then we're gonna push it out, just like that. Now we put it in here, and we test it out and see. Yep, it seems to be pulling good. And we're gonna open this, and we're gonna tighten it up. Tighten it up. Make sure you guys have it. Tighten it up. And then the fuel lines. Remember, the first one goes near the bulb right here, and the second one goes near the carburetor, just like that. So, and we're gonna clean this. So we're gonna take this out. That's a little rag with water. Just pass it, clean up any debris they have. And take our new filter. And here we see like a box. We're gonna put this like a box. So make sure it's nice and snug like that. I'm gonna put it back. And that is it. That is how you change a new carburetor on a Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle. And there it is, good to go. The line is pulling good. The bulb is pretty good. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one. One thing I wanted to add, if you have a Craftsman weed whacker, always follow the directions it has here, because if you just do randomly stuff, it won't turn on. So always follow these directions. It has different settings. I already followed these directions, and let's turn it on so you can see. Looks like it just needed a new carburetor. Thank you guys for watching.